this is an interesting question, and I really didn't know the answer until I went looking for it, and now I know the answer. How do I reset Chrome settings without, and they use the word resetting cookies. There is no reset. It's clear or clearing extensions. Let me go show you what this is all about, and I'll offer to you my recommendation for making Chrome work a little better without resetting Chrome settings. So in Chrome, go to Preferences right here. And then, if you're on a PC, it might be slightly different. But the bottom line, you need to get to Chrome://Settings. In Chrome://Settings, which is Settings or Preferences, all the way down here near the bottom is Reset Settings. I click on that, and look, Restore Settings to their original defaults. Well, it doesn't say it's going to do it yet, so I'm pretty comfortable. It's going to give me another dialog box. Click. Whoa, here's a warning. Reset settings, ? This will reset your startup page, your new tab page, your search engine, which hopefully is Chrome, your pinned tabs. It will also disable, it doesn't say it's going to remove them, but it will disable all extensions, and it will clear cache. Clear temporary data like cookies, which is cache. However, it does keep your bookmarks, it does keep your history, and it does keep your saved passwords. Now, you know what? Maybe that's not as critical for some people, but I don't want to lose my new tab settings. I don't want to lose my startup page. I don't want to lose my pinned tabs. I probably, very likely, will not do this. So I'm going to hit cancel. But that may not solve this person's problem. They want to reset their settings for some specific reason. What I would recommend is focus on that reason. What's going on? What's not working right? What's doing something they don't want or they don't expect? And then what I would do is I would come to Settings, Chrome://Settings, and I would do a search for that issue, that challenge. And it's probably something in here that you could change without completely restoring your settings or resetting your settings in Chrome. I'm Teddy. I'm a Google Workspace and Gmail guy. I love Chrome. Every now and then, it needs a little help.